Okay, so I've just installed Flic into my home automation system and wanted to show you really quickly how it's controlling a blind. In this instance, it's a Somfy blind, and that's controlled by a Zwave network, which is through Autovera controller. To control the blind from the switch, we've got it running through Tasker and Autovera. So normally you would control a Somfy blind with something like this, a manual controller. Or Somfy actually do a switch which you can mount by the window. That is a lot bigger and a little bit more expensive than the Flic, and not as controllable because all it will do is control the blind. With Flic, of course, we can program it to do anything that we wish. So you can see there, perhaps, in this instance, I've got it just hidden behind a plant. The actual switch is just there. So it's nice and discreet and really easy to use if people want to take over control of the blind from the automation system. So let's take a look. One press, that'll take the blind to the home position. Two presses will close the blind, and a press and a hold opens the blind. So here we're using a Somfy battery Venetian blind, and as you can hear, it's quite noisy. It's perhaps not as noisy as it sounds on the video, but certainly Somfy could make the motors a little bit quieter perhaps. It certainly does a good job of controlling the system, and of course through Vera can understand the location of the blind. So there you go, a real quick look. So far Flic seems to be really nice, really easy to place, really discreet, and something that I think we may find some more use for.